Hello guys, welcome to our channel JavaTechTonic. So today we are going to see how we can do MySQL installation on our Windows system. So let's start. So first I will go to Google Chrome, okay, and I will type MySQL download, okay, Windows. So you will get first link. So you need to go to this link, MySQL downloads. Okay, click on MySQL download. Then you need to scroll little bit, go here, you can see MySQL community GPL download. Go to this link, click on this, okay, and then there are different link also. You can see MySQL shell, MySQL workbench. So we can go with MySQL installer for Windows. We will click here, and there you can see MySQL installer for 8.0.37 version. So let's select, like version is already selected, we are going to select 8.0, okay, and operating system is Windows, okay. So we will go to this, you can see the second number option where we can see it is a community installer, MSI installer. We will download this package, okay. So now you can see new page is open, and you don't need to log in, we just need to click on this link and just start the download. Okay, now the download has been started, so let's wait to complete it. Okay, the package has been installed. Now we can go to this one, okay, we can go to this link, okay, and you can see installer has been downloaded. Okay, we'll click on this, we'll double click on this MSI file, okay, and we'll start the installation. So you can see one screen is there, like, which is asking you to give the permission, so I'm allowing it. Okay, again you need to select yes. Okay, now you can see the screen MySQL installer 1.6. Now we are on the screen of choosing a setup type, so we will select here type of setup as custom. Okay, then we will click on next. Then we will select the product that we want to install, so we will go to MySQL server and we will select the version 8.30.37. Then apart from that, we need to download a MySQL workbench so that we can do queries to the database and check like whatever output is there. Then we can select shell also. We have selected all the product that we want to install. We will click on next. Now you can select, you can see the path where it is going to be installed, so we'll click on next. Then you can see the list, all the products which are listed here, that will get installed once we click on execute. So we will click on execute and just wait to get it installed on our machine. Okay, now we can see the installation is completed, so we'll click on next. Okay, again we need to click on next. Okay, now we can see the port is there, that is 3306. This is the default port for MySQL. So now we can see the port number is 3306. This is the default port for MySQL server. We will click on next. We don't need to change anything in this. Okay, then you can see two type of option, which is saying that use strong password, and another is use legacy authentication method. Okay, we need to select the first one and then we can click on next. Okay, so it is basically asking you the root password, so you can keep whatever password you want to keep. Okay, so I am providing the password. Okay, then you can click on next. Okay, then again you need to click on next. Okay, then again you need to click on next, and once you click on execute, all these steps will get executed. So initializing database, it will take a little bit time, and I think it is also completed. Okay, now you can click on finish. Okay, and you can see the message configuration is completed. You can click on next. Okay, now you can select the option like whether you want to launch the workbench on the after setup and launch the shell. So I will unselect this shell, and I will just ask for launching the workbench after the setup is finished. Okay, so I'm clicking on finish. Okay, okay, now we can see that workbench has been started. So with the help of workbench, basically we can query to the database. So here you can see this option, local instance MySQL 80. You need to click on this. Okay, so once you click on this, you need to provide the password whatever you have provided in the previous step. Okay, you can click on OK. We need to use one command, that is create database, and then whatever database name you want to give, you can give it. I will give user management. Okay, and once I have written the query, I will select it, and there is one button which will execute this query. So once I click on this, you can see database, create database, user management, this query has been executed. So we need to refresh this schema. Okay, now you can see user management database has been created. Okay, so that's it for from the installation perspective. Thank you.